Today we will discuss BlueHost student discount. Is BlueHost a good website builder? BlueHost is a WordPress recommended hosting provider with a reliable platform and beginner friendly website building tools. A business owner does not need technical or coding experience as BlueHost provides a personalized onboarding, wizard block editing, design templates, and AI powered content creation tool. Is GoDaddy cheaper than BlueHost? BlueHost share posting plans start from $1.99 for new customer and when you sign up for 12 month and rise to $8.99 for the most expensive and the feature rich plan. GoDaddy plan start at 8.99 per month for 12 month and rise 21.99 per month for the most advanced option. Why is BlueHost so expensive now? Yes, some of BlueHost price plan can get pretty expensive, and that because they offer a lot of additional feature and generous storage option with their higher tier option. Is GoDaddy better than the BlueHost? BlueHost and GoDaddy are both established and reliable hosting platforms, so choosing the best one of for you comes down to minor detail. If you are building a website on WordPress or already have a WordPress website, you want new hosting for BlueHost is your best bet. Why is Wix better than BlueHost? Usability Wix plans are way more expensive than BlueHost simply because Wix provides Wix website creation where BlueHost limits its core service to hosting. You would hardly need a few minutes to establish a website using Wix since the platform offers everything under one umbrella, making it easier to use. Is BlueHost cheaper than WordPress? The only difference is that with BlueHost you have to install it yourself, where with WordPress the plugin some pre-installed. As for pricing, BlueHost basic plan is significantly cheaper than WordPress personal, especially if you are willing to subscribe for 3 years. Which is better, Hostinger or BlueHost? Is almost every major department Hostinger show better results than BlueHost. It's cheaper, faster, and more powerful, although BlueHost is not far behind, providing useful website management tool and instant customer support. Why is the BlueHost so cheap? BlueHost is so cheap because they provide shared web hosting services. This means that multiple websites share resources on the same server, keeping costs low for everyone. Bluehost also offers cheap introductory rates to new customers. These plans are up to 70% of the regular rate, but the prices jump upon renewal. Why is Bluehost cheap? The share hosting plan offered by Bluehost is the most affordable option for those looking to host their website with Bluehost. Website hosting, domain registration, and an SSL certificate are all included in the low monthly fee, only $2.95. Share hosting also include plan like Choice Plus, Pro, and Plus. Is Bluehost free or paid? No, Bluehost is not a free hosting provider. They offer various paid hosting plan for different type of websites, including share hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and WordPress hosting. Which web hosting is best for beginners? WPX editor course. WPX is one of the best web hosting option for beginners. They provide a specialized service for WordPress site owner with great customer service and fast service. Next one is what is the cheapest Bluehost? Yeah, and this is the chart of the cheapest Bluehost packages. Why not to use Bluehost? If you have any technical problem, it might take day or week to get any support. Sometimes their support staff will simply disconnect if they can't fix your issue, answer your question. They also sometimes try to entrap their customer if they try to move elsewhere. Bluehost is owned by a conglomerate called EIG. Which web hosting is best for WordPress? 8 best WordPress sites hosting providers. Hostinger state rating 4.95 to 5. SiteGround state rating 4.7. WP Engine state rating 4.6. DreamHost state rating 4.5 and BlueHost state rating 4.4. HostGator state rating 4.3. Kinsta Star and Ionos stats. Can you make money using BlueHost? There are many affiliate networks to work with. One of these is an Amazon affiliate program which allows you to earn money by promoting affiliate product on Amazon. You can also join the BlueHost affiliate program where you will earn a commission for recommending our hosting services to your audience. Why Google domain is better than GoDaddy? Google domain prices are competitive with other domain registers and don't fluctuate as much as GoDaddy do. Google make Google make it simple to make change to your account within the easy navigate people tool. Which is the best domain hosting? Bluehost, HostGator. Our best web hosting services of 2024 rating is Bluehost, HostGator, one site ground, 4 hostinger, 4 A2 hosting, 4 Lunos, 4 DreamHost, for Green Greek web hosting. Is Google domain or GoDaddy better? GoDaddy both are winner in our book. Both offer quality domain registration services that will help you to get your business website and up running in no time. They said since Google domain is so much cheaper, it's generally our top pick for most businesses, especially those with a tight budget in mind. Is Bluehost the best for blog? And we are pretty good at what we do. That's why WordPress has recommended Bluehost as a top hosting company for more than 10 years. We are affordable. We offer outstanding blog security setting and provide 24/7 expert tech support. Who uses Wix the most? Companies using Wix for landing pages are majorly from United States with 553,903 customers. 66.46% of Wix customers are from the United States. Other top countries using Wix are United Kingdom and Canada with 76,009.41% and 47,005.88 customers respectively. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more interesting videos.